Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. Thanks for everyone who subscribed me to gain 20,000 subscribers. In this video I am going to talk about Google Play points in 2022. If you are my old fan, you know what is Google Play points. What can do from them. If you are new, please check my video description, you will understand about Google Play points. If you not enabled Google Play points, watch my old videos. However, after enable Google Play points, you can see like this bar and how many points there. We can use this Google Points exchange with Google Play credits. When we navigate to payments methods in Google Play Store, we can see Google Play balance. This balance top up with using Google Play credits. However, most important thing is earning Google Play points. Let's talk about that. Google Play points are earning rate depends on your Play points level. It's mean bronze, silver and gold. Mainly we can earn points while we spend money on Google Play apps. Google Play currency depends on what country you are live in. In this area, we can see when we spent £1, we can earn some number of Play points. It depends on the promotion app. And second line. Points for subscription. Cool things is part 3. It's giving free points. When we installing new apps from Google Play. Following this app, we need to install and open. Then Google Play points will appear in Google Play points sector. Before install the app, we can check what is the size of app. Sometime free apps are huge size apps. Some are small size. Let's install an app and open. See, I have earned more 5 points. We can earn free points from perks. It's weekly free prize. Wow! It's 48 points. This is the way to earn free points. When we earn the points, we can spend them for Google Play apps. Or we can convert them to Google Play credits. Follow use area for see how to spend Google Play credits. So, this is the video about Google Play points in 2022. Comment me below. Does it work for you? Or not? Any suggestion? Comment section is for you. I love to show you in next video how to withdraw Google Play credits to bank. Subscribe me to watch more videos. Thank you. See you again.